My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today we'll bring you part one of a two-part Q&A, just going over some of the ways we structure our class, answering questions. These questions will deal with flow and follow-up techniques from wooden dummy and training drills. But before we get there, I need you to hit the button to like and subscribe and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos.
So the low round punch, I kept, especially doing the long style, I kept wanting to do a low ball style.
No, okay, we just didn't cover that today, right? So if he throws a low bone style, and again, I try to get you to utilize everything you have. So in the low round punch, if he throws a low punch and you make a back step with a low bone, you can guard and come in, go into box action, it doesn't matter, right? He throws a low round punch, some of you guys in Chung, you can come into a pole punch and go in, right? Now this is going to get a little goofy, I just try to keep it simple. Back step, double guns out, back step, double guns out, and come from here, chins out, and you're back in one. You go to box out, chins out. All right? There's nothing wrong. Listen, though, the whole goal to this exercise is to free flow and utilize everything you have. Because once fracas starts, you should start becoming comfortable. You should start finding the things you want. So we're going to random go, nice and easy punch, right? So back, right? So you guys are here. We start from this, right? So I could box out chin style, right? He comes in, I could box out taunt style, right? I could buse out, he can go to buse out. I can taunt out, come in. I can juts out chin style. I can box out down style, lops out on one side, right? It doesn't matter what you guys do. You should learn to feel comfortable with any of these things. Sweat it. You know, again, so if you did a low bone side, if that's your go-to, then start playing with it. So the essence of this class is to get you to utilize and put together. In foreign martial arts, everything is dogma, it's one for one. People don't know how to flow. This to me is one of the greatest series you can start to do to make your stuff flow together. What's the golden rule? Touch one hand and? Okay, guys, ladies, gents. This whole exercise, go what? Touch one hand, look at the other. You have two techniques in the world. Straight when they come around. What are we dealing with? Straight or around. We're just trying to get you a little out of your comfort zone and kind of put it together. You guys, ladies, gents, you come in and take a couple minutes. You should just come play. Yes, sir.
Every so often you work with a jerk, I am a jerk, who presses too hard, right? Stepping too deep, pressing too hard, especially on blowing something upside down.
I'm going to answer that. I don't know. We build on it.
Yeah.
Distance is always manually adjusted. So if it means you need to take a further step back, but it gives you somebody so much taller than you, if he's pressing into me, then of course what? Then I need to step off to the side. Well, then he needs to what? He needs to adjust to what I'm coming at him with, right? So if he really presses me and I take a huge step at him, well, if I fire back, then he's got to turn and face his point of contact, right? And we're back into the drill, right? Then it doesn't matter. So distance is always manually adjusted. Okay? Any part of the part there? I just want to make sure I answer.
No, that was it. That was it.
Come on. Yes, sir. See, look. We went from none to a cavalcade.
See? We do it as a brand.
Doesn't matter. So if he's coming overhand, right? If you're in this right? So if he's coming in, if somebody comes overhand, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where they strike, the technique is coming toward you. So if that means it's coming what? Straight down, so I'm going to avoid, and I'm back to where I want to be. Okay. Did that answer? Is that what you were talking about?
Or more specifically, like an overhand.
Okay, so he's throwing an overhand right, so we got to set it up, right? So
You mean almost like a lock punch? Yeah, instead of just the straight hook, if they're coming down.
Okay, so he's coming across. Now remember, just like in boxing upside down, it's a shot, right? It's a shot. Once your arm is down, don't even think about getting it back. It's just ridiculous. A little doubtful. You're not going to stop it. So when he pulls that, remember I was saying, right? If somebody pulls it, I was going down. You need to what? You need to step. You do it, and then you're back to where you need to be. Just like that with dummy kicking. Some of you guys are up to it. I've added to levels of with dummy kicking. And one of it is turning. But if I throw a punch and he catches me with a lop sound, takes a deep pull. Lop, I need to go like that, right? I'm going to fight it, so you got to pull it off. You need to go with that coverage, and that becomes your interruption. Okay, did that help? Anybody else?
Sometimes in the mix when we were going at a like pace,
Good.
if you were throwing around
Low, high?
doesn't matter. The instinct to block and hit without a full step from here.
Distance is always manually adjusted. Happens in a fight, guys. There's no parameters in a fight.
Is there anything wrong in making
Right.
it in this drill where I just got it, stay
No,
here, and
no.
he rolls it
No, nothing wrong with that at all.
versus the check?
Guys, eventually, there is no check. You can check, eventually it's just a free throw. The attacker is always right. But I like starting from a point of no. We're working with techniques because you're all familiar with bone style, con style, you want to do a bone style, that's great. So if I come in here and he throws that shot, pierce out punch, right? And he blocks, if I block him from here, he comes around, well, touch one hand, look at the other. So if you didn't check, that hand is still coming, right? It's still coming. Touch one hand. They're all great questions, and that's what I'm trying to get you to do. I'm trying to draw these out of you. Because if you did this and you're new to it, you should have a bunch of questions. Things should feel awkward. Ah!
Okay. Is it only good to use a kick if they're punching from up high?
No,
or
I'm just
kick-
saying, I'm just using this as a simple way to start.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all I'm getting. So if you're in bone up, I mean, in Wing Chun, you should be able to kick from what? In close to work at that. Front, it doesn't matter. I'm just making it simple. I'm getting used to we've done predominant hands. So when this is wide open, it's a lot easier to see what's going on. Later, it's a free for all. And it becomes a fun free for all. It should be fun as you do. Don't try to bully each other or push yourself forward, man. Just have fun.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.